sandwiches?
What's that? My stomach says we had peanut butter sandwiches yesterday. So maybe today we could have a grilled cheese sandwich? Oh! I'm so hungry!
But patience, my belly frowns.
People to share brings so much satisfaction. Don't pass up the chance to put a meal in trance. Emotional roller coaster.
My belly still says it's hungry, though.
Well, luckily I thought ahead, Carmen. I brought all of the grilled cheese sandwiches for everyone!